the ultimate guide to the ketogenic diet, achieving health and weight loss. In a world inundated with various dieting trends, the ketogenic diet has emerged as a popular choice for those seeking to achieve weight loss, improved health, and mental clarity. With its unique approach to nutrition and metabolism, the ketogenic diet, often called the keto diet, has garnered attention and praise. The intricacies of the ketogenic diet, shedding light on its principles, benefits, and potential risks. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan designed to induce a state of ketosis in the body. Ketosis is a metabolic state where the body shifts from using glucose as its primary energy source to utilizing stored fats for fuel. This transition is achieved by significantly reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing the consumption of healthy fats. How does ketosis work? When carbohydrate intake is restricted, the body's glycogen reserves are depleted, leading to a drop in blood sugar levels. As a result, the liver begins to convert fats into molecules called ketones, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain and other organs. This metabolic shift is at the core of the ketogenic diet's effectiveness. Benefits of the ketogenic diet. 1. Weight loss. The keto diet's ability to promote ketosis and use fat for energy can lead to significant weight loss by targeting stored body fat. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. By reducing carbohydrate intake, the ketogenic diet may enhance insulin sensitivity, which benefits individuals with type 2 diabetes. 3. Mental clarity. Ketones produced during ketosis provide a stable energy source for the brain, potentially leading to improved cognitive function. Foods to eat. 1. Healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, and nuts are excellent sources of healthy fats. 2. Lean proteins. Include sources like poultry, fish, and grass-fed meats to meet your protein needs. 3. Low-carb vegetables. Opt for leafy greens, cauliflower, zucchini, and broccoli to keep your carb intake low. Foods to avoid. 1. High-sugar fruits. Avoid fruits like bananas, grapes, and oranges due to their high sugar content. 2. Grains and starchy vegetables. Say no to wheat, rice, potatoes, and corn to maintain a low carbohydrate intake. Staying hydrated and fueled. Maintaining proper hydration and sufficient electrolytes is essential to avoid dehydration, fatigue, and muscle cramps, common challenges during the keto transition. The ketogenic diet offers a unique perspective on achieving health and weight loss in a world where dieting approaches vary widely. By focusing on high-fat, low-carb consumption, the diet triggers ketosis, a metabolic state with numerous benefits. However, like any dietary plan, it's essential to consider individual needs and potential risks.